Anybody? Area and perpendicular height are given. Find the length of the base. This question has got to do with the area of a triangle. We start off with the formula. Okay, anybody wants to try? Any one of those standing up? Yes. What equals to half times base times height? Okay, hang on first. Half times base. So you are saying B times H. Okay, what is the value of H over here? Height, right? You mentioned height. 10. Okay. So half times base times height. What is this supposed to be equal to? 105. Okay, good. Carry on, try. Okay, while he thinks about it, anybody, any issues with the first step? Half times base times 10 is 105. Any issues? Shabil, any question? Okay, Shabil, you are absent for a few lessons. So it is your responsibility to find out what we have covered from the lessons that were uploaded online, okay? So that you don't come to class and everybody is proceeding but you don't understand what's happening, all right? The area of a triangle, have you learned that in primary school? Half times base times height, right? What is the base in this triangle? There are 3 sides. What would you choose as the base? Would you choose A? Okay, hang on. Will you choose A as the base, B, or will you choose C as the base? Okay, good. You'll choose B as the base. If B is the base, what is the perpendicular height? Okay, Shabil has chosen B as the base. And if B is the base, then the perpendicular height, perpendicular means 90 degrees, will be that 10 meters over there. So half times B times 10 gives us 105, which is the area. So what then is the next step? Five. Okay, where did the 5 come from? Did you say 5? Okay, then what do you say? Did you say 5B? Where did the 5 come from? Where is the 5? Yeah, okay, where did the 5 from 5B come from? 10 divided by 2, that gives us 5B. 5B equals to 105, and therefore B must be equal to 105 over 5, 21. Okay, thank you. You can sit down. So B has the value of 21 meters. The next question, 5. Who would like to try? One of those standing up? Yes, sorry. Say again. 24 times 10. Did you say 24 times 10? Is this what you want me to write? 24 times 10? No, okay, what do you want me to write? Base is 24. And the perpendicular height? What is the perpendicular height? Fari, are you saying something? If you are, you have to speak up. 10. Okay, let us confirm that area is half times 24 times 10. That gives us 120. Okay, that is correct. Thank you. You can sit down. Next, Irene. I heard 6. What is the base? 20. Like this. Let us confirm it. Area half times 20 times 6. Does that give us 120? Okay, try again. Change one of the numbers. Okay, Karin, help me all over here. What do you get when you take half times 20 times 6? You got 60, right? But is 60 what you want? No, what did you want? 120. How do we go from 60 to 120? Times 2, isn't it? So you just need to take one of the numbers, either 20 times 2 or 6 times 2. Choose one. Yeah, do you want to change the 20 to become 40 or the 6 to become 12? Choose. Both are okay. Change the 6 to become 12. Okay, let's change that. So half times 20 times 12. Now it gives us 120. Okay, thank you, Sinol. Next. Yes, Shah. 8. How much? 15. Okay, let's try that out. Area half times 8 times 15. So do we get 120? Four, five, six. No, we don't. We get 60 only. So same issue, you ended up getting 60. So same thing as I told Kyrie. We want that 60 to become 120. 15 changed to 30. So he decided to multiply that by 2. So 30, and we do get 120. Correct, Sinol? And these were your homework questions. Okay, now the rest, go back to your seats. Let's refer to our textbook again. We were at page 108 for our textbook. We covered the area of a trapezium. We covered the area of a trapezium. It is given by the formula half. Okay, remember this half? Just like a triangle. It starts with half times. Half times the sum of the length of the parallel sides. Parallel lines, we can look at the diagram and we can identify parallel lines. All we need to do is to add up the two lengths of the parallel sides. Once you add them up, multiply it with the half and multiply it with the perpendicular height. So you need to identify the perpendicular height as well. So we also covered our work example number 8. Half times the sum of the parallel sides being our 8 cm and our 2 cm. These are the two parallel sides. And we multiply it by the perpendicular height of 4. So this is our recap for the area for a trapezium. Any questions? If there are questions, sound out now. Otherwise, I'll be asking some of you to try it. No questions? Any questions? Sure, no? Okay, then I'm going to be calling students now. 108. Sure. Okay. Let's do our self-check. Is the area of this trapezium given by half times 5 plus 5 times 4? Okay, do this self-check now. You have 1 minute to check. Then I'll be calling students to answer. We've got the sum of the lengths of the parallel sides, which was correctly identified by Shabil. And we have to add them up. So in this particular case, we should be adding 4 and 10. What do we do with that 14? We have to multiply it by half. What else do we have to do? We have to multiply it by the perpendicular height. Where is the perpendicular height? Is there anybody who does not know how to find the perpendicular height? Raise your hand. All okay finding perpendicular height? I'm going to call people. Huh? If you do not know what the perpendicular height is, raise your hand. Okay, so listen carefully. The perpendicular height will have this symbol. Can you see the 90-degree symbol? That indicates perpendicular. Perpendicular to what? Perpendicular to the parallel sides. These are the parallel sides. And that height over there is perpendicular to it. What is the confusion over here? You are used to trapeziums looking like this, where you have the parallel sides shown horizontally. When the parallel sides are shown horizontally, you're okay with half times A plus B times the perpendicular height. Can you identify that the H over here is the perpendicular height? Yeah. Can, right? But what if I turn the page? Does the area change? No. You can turn your book. You can turn it any way you want, such that you are comfortable with the parallel sides and the perpendicular height. So that brings us back to this question. Self-check. Is the area of this trapezium given by half times 5 plus 5 times 4? So back to Fari. Fari, do you understand the formula now? Okay, so what do you think of this half times 5 plus 5 times 4? Is this correct? Yes or no? Okay, what is wrong with it? Okay, please stand up. What is wrong with it? Okay, which numbers are wrong? 5 plus 5 is wrong. Okay, so the area, so this is not correct. Okay, area, can you give us the correct formula now, Fari? Area equals to half times? Yeah, give me the numbers now. 10. Good. Times? Why 4? He says 4. Why 4? Okay, perpendicular. So which is the perpendicular line to your parallel sides? 4. Excellent. And this gives us 14 times 2, 28 square units. Thank you. Sit down. Are there any questions for this? Am I going too slow? Too fast? Okay, now try it 10. Your turn to do it now. Try it 10. I'm interested in area first. Yes, try it 10. This is on page 109.